that you got today. I don't care what it is. Just say, Jesus, I might have came here for the wrong reason, but something is here that's supernatural. And I don't want to leave until I experience you, until you take the veil off my face and you be glorified inside. Jesus, nothing is impossible with you.
No, no, no. Come on. Nothing is impossible. Nothing. No, no, no. Nothing is impossible. Nothing. No, no, no. Nothing is impossible. In my alabaster box.
And we got to ask ourselves, what will be our response to that? I was uncomfortable. And you know what? Discomfort actually precedes transformation. God wants to bring you to a place. He wanted to bring me to a place where, are you willing to sacrifice your discomfort?
When you wake up and you go, how could I have done that? I can't believe I did that last night. And God is going, you're the only one that's surprised. I already knew you. You are a sinner, and I see it, and I still love you. I pick you.
And the past 4 years of my life have been basically a search for fulfillment from people, from work, from drugs. And about 2 months ago, God put me in the right place in the right time with the right people and opened my heart